Look at that. You mean the world to this person. Grabe. You mean the world for this person. This person sees you as his or her world. No, pwedeng sa'yo umiikot ang mundo niya rito, mga mahal. Pwedeng nasa buhay niyo na ito. Paparating siya lang siya. Yan. No? This person sees you. Hindi lang part ng kanyang world, kundi kanyang world. Okay? Umiikot sa kanya umiikot sa iyo ang mundo niya, mga mahal, no? At yeah, you mean everything to this person. Parang simula na nakilala ka niya, nagsimulang magkaroon ng mga ng meaning yung buhay niyo. Mukhang love is in the air na naman itong mga bees. Let's keep moving, no? The energy is so high. So, let's rock this. Ay, antaray. Umpisa agad, narinig na natin yung song. I know who sang that song. It's the 98 Degrees. Yeah. So, the song is, you are my everything, nothing your love won't bring. My life is yours alone, the only love I've ever known. Taray, you are my everything. So, ang taray naman agad, no? Ikaw ang lahat-lahat sa akin. Wow. And, my life is yours alone? Exactly. Right off the bat, mga mahal, no? Kung sino man ito, 9 of Wands energy, 5 of Swords, this person is protecting his or her heart, no? Na paglaruan lang ng kung sino-sino. Kasi this person is, yeah, I'm hearing save. Yeah, this person is saving his or herself for you. Saving his or her love for you. So, yeah, this could be your person now. This could be someone here who loves you already now. Magkakilala na kayo. Meron na kayong relationship para sa iba. Parating pa lang to. Like, alam niya, no, na ikaw yung hinihintay niya sa buhay niya. Yeah, no? And my life is yours alone. Teka nga. Taray. Oh. Tingin niya destiny kayo, mga mahal, no? Oh, wow, Knight of Coins energy, Queen of Cups. Sa iyo niya iaalay ang pinaka-sincerest love niya. Because ikaw, mga babes, no, nakikita niya, no, na kanyang reyna at hari, no? Ikaw lamang ang kanyang minamahal at wala ng iba. Yeah, nakikita ka niya bilang Queen of Cups, wala tayong gender dito, mga mahal, no? Nakikita ka niya bilang someone here, no, na maalaga, mapagmahal, napakalambot at napakatangi ng iyong puso rito, no? So nakikita ka niya as someone here na nararapat, no, sa kanyang mundo. Ikaw ang pinaka nababagay, no, at hindi para sa mga taong nais lamang paglaruan ang kanyang damdamin. Taray, so wow, yan, nanatili siyang close off, no, sa kung sino-sinong gusto rito makikonnect sa kanya. Yun ang nakikita ko rito kasi, yeah, the truth is, this person loves you. Ikaw lang. Wala nang iba. Yan, no? Kasi parang gusto niyang sabihin sa akin dito ng paulit-ulit sa'yo na ikaw lang yung mahal niya, wala nang iba. Gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo at ipakita, iparamdam sa'yo no, na ikaw lang ang natatangi at wala nang iba. I know. Kasi nakita ko dito, yeah, hindi siya confused sa nararamdaman niya sa'yo. Sigurado talaga siya sa'yo rito, mga babes, no? Ikaw ang natatangi sa lahat ng mga bituin yan, no? Ikaw ang pinaka nagniningning. Tingnan mo, napakalaki ng size mo dyan, no? Yun, mga babes, no? Hindi yung size ng katawan ninyo, no? I mean, ikaw ang pinaka natatangi. Marami rin mga star, no, sa kanyang paligid rito, pero ikaw ang, yun, no, higit na nakahihigit sa lahat. Taray, so nakikita ko rito, mga mahal, no? Oh. Ikaw ang gusto niya na magbitbit ng apelyido ng pangalan niya rito, no? Ikaw ang gusto niya rito, mga babes, na ipagmalaki sa ibang tao na ikaw ang kanyang kabiyak. Because this is marriage. This is justice right here, which is the marriage contract. This person wants to marry you. This person wants you to carry his or her name. This person wants you to be his or her future spouse. Wala tayong gender dito, pero gusto niya na ikaw yung ipagmamalaki niya sa lahat ng mga tao rito, na ikaw ang kanyang kabiyak. Wow! You are his or her everything. Na ka nang ikaw na, you already. O bakit? Pag in English mo ikaw na, you already. Okay, isa na naman pong joke ang namaalam sa earth. So whatever the case may be, you are this person's everything. Yeah. Oh, another marriage card. It's the Four of Wands energy. This is a celebration. This is marriage. This is union right here. And this person is, alam niya talaga strongly sa kanyang damdamin rito, and his or her intuition is telling na ikaw yung tao rito na hinihintay niya rito at worth it niyang hintayin. So whether nakakuha ko dito na nasa buhay na to ng iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron na kayong relationship, and para sa iba paparating pa lang itong tao na to, but this person here is someone who's gonna build something strong and solid with you guys. No? This person wants marriage. This person wants commitment, not just a relationship, but commitment with you. Taray. So, collective, thank you so much sa patuloy at wala ninyo sawa na pagsuporta po sa akin dito sa channel na to, at sa mga new subscribers, hello po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Yan. Yan, no? Thank you so much sa patuloy na pagsuporta po sa akin. Okay? So, wala tayong gender dito, timeless din po ito. So, sa nakikita ko dito, you are this person's everything here, mahal, at hindi ko nakikita, na siya ay nagpipay attention sa iba, Pagdating sa kanya ritong puso, yan, nakikipag-ugnayan, nakikipag-usap, nakikipag-sociable siya, If it's work only. If it's something to do with business, business only. But when it comes to his or her heart, and this people wants to connect, sa kanya, makipag-flirt, makipag-playful, it's a no. So you're dealing with someone faithful. And I know that you love faithful person. And yeah, your person is faithful. Woo! Kasi nga, mga babes, ikaw yung klase ng tao dito naniniwala na rare lamang, Rare, ibig sabihin, sobrang endangered species na lang ng mga faithful na person. And your person is faithful right here sa'yo. So, whether kakontak mo na to o taong paparating pa lang sa buhay mo, congratulations, kasi siya ay faithful na individual dito. So, wow. This person right here will sees you as the one. This person, ikaw lang ang pag-aalayan niya, ng sarili. Alam mo yung when you say, sincere is love, it's something pure. It's something faithful. It's something here divine. It's something that you can treasure. Because when you say sincere, alam mo yung parang the first thing that came up to my mind is holy water. So it has something to do with this person here fears God. This person believes in the power of marriage vow. And this person right here is someone who's gonna fulfill his or her promise with you. Yeah, this person is true to his or her promise. Kaya kapag nangako yan siya sa'yo rito, tinutupad niya yan. From small things up to big things. If this person promised you forever with him or her, then believe it because it's true. Oh, so how loving is that, when someone promise you forever and you know natutuparin at gagawin niya ito. It's really makalaglag puso dito. Diba? Because your person is very rare. Okay? Nowadays, there are a lot of people right here who is just telling you, I'll always be here by your side. And hindi kita iiwan forever. Mahal kita. Yan, But they do not mean it from the bottom of their heart, isn't it? Okay? They tend to leave because time gets worse. Because the situation is not favorable with them. It's love. Anya, it's not love. Okay? Whatever it is, hindi yun pagmamahal. Pero yung person ni ito, nakikita ko, ipapangako niya sa'yo ang forever dito, no, at tutuparin niya yun. Okay? This person could be someone who's traditional, classic, and is willing to wait. Okay? Kaya kanyang hintayin, no? For those people who are not yet ready to be in a relationship or in a deeper relationship or connection with this person can wait. Okay? Kasi meron tayong mga confirmations energies rito na kaya ka nang hintayin rito, mahal. No? Nang makasisigurado ka na hindi siya kukonek sa iba. With the Temperance card, Knight of Coins energy, Justice, Four of Wands energy, and the High Priestess right here. And actually, all of this eh. This person here is coming in with the truth. And you know the truth. Mahal kita. Oh. Gaano kasarap sa pakiramdam, no? Natotoo sabihin ng tao sa'yo na mahal ka niya. Ay, nako, kung nandito kayo sa pwesto ko mga babes, no, at nakikita ninyo at nararamdaman ninyo kung gaano katotoo ang feelings nitong person na to sa inyo, ay nako, you might pass out. Because this person's feelings and emotions for you is so intensely, no, napaka-strong dito, no, super intense ng feelings nitong person nito sa inyo. So, what more can I say? This is definitely love. This person's truth is, mahal ka niya. Diba? Matutulog siya mamayang gabi nang nakangiti. Yan, no? Deserve mo. Deserve mo, babe. Alright, no? So, this person is totally in love with you, honey. So, wow! These are all the beautiful and sweet messages for you, collective. Thank you so much for the trust and love you're giving me. Mahal ko rin kayo. Yan, no? Thank you so much. Love and light. Annyeong!